we're going to be looking at is a roadmap to increasing soil health. Our soil's physical, chemical, and biological quantitative metrics. We're taking a standard soil test looking at our mineral balancing, specific biological indicators like our carbon, our microbial abundance and diversity through things like soil respiration tests and PLFA tests, tissue tests or plant sap analysis in season to see if our crops are getting the nutrients into the plant. Once we've done some of this measuring, we need to make a plan. What practices are you aiming to do? What are we doing? What practice are we going to be implementing? When are we implementing that practice? And where are we implementing that practice? We want to make sure that we're writing a management plan that's addressing the bottlenecks that we found when we measured. After we've written the management plan, we're going to follow the management plan. If you're flying by the seat of your pants, then it's significantly harder to measure and manage and get a graph that goes up and to the right. But if we do our best to write a management plan so we know what we plan on doing, when and where, it's easier to follow that management plan. But that management plan does need to be followed to address what we found when we measured. The fourth piece of increasing soil health is measuring again. A lot of times this one gets missed. We don't know if any of this was worth it if we don't measure again and see a graph that goes up and to the right. We want to be looking at creating this graph in our soil, meaning we're going to measure, we're going to follow the management plan, and then we're going to measure again, and we're going to look at this difference. Is this going up or is this going down? And that informs us that for the next season when we measure and write a management plan, should we follow what we wrote last season, or did our number actually go down and maybe we need to make some tweaks?